Okay. Come on in.
Alright, ito na tirahin
It's our house. Sala. The minibar. Come on, show you upstairs.
Hi there. This is the birthday boy here.
Here's the birthday boy, yeah! Happy birthday, man!
Thanks, man.
It's the sink, the kitchen, and you can see here our mahogany
tree.
tabletop and our bars.
Can you please show us some more?
Oh, sure. Go upstairs. A little bathroom. So this is some rooms.
Ikot mo na.
It's pretty dark, wait. Some of our rooms. It's the connection.
Hi, this is the birthday boy here.
Once again, yeah.
Here's the whole drinking area. We have some and my terrace. See, terrace. Let's go upstairs. There's some more.
There's some more doors here. Come on, take a look.
It's my brother's bedroom. The birthday boy's bedroom. Some TV.
As you can see, this is the place where GC friend bought. She's just showing me around some rooms, so we'll be familiar
This is the
and don't be
Hey,
lost.
come here, come here.
Because this is a big house, you know.
Tropa's bedroom. Everyone.
Take a look.
Hello.
The swimming pool.
So, come on, let's go here.
The swimming pool.
Swimming pool.
Hey, cameraman. You wanna
There's
open
another
it, man?
terrace. Here's my sexy bathroom, and here's the sexy. Oh my
There's also a TV in the bathroom.
You can see the drinking area there. If you notice it. See?
Okay, that's all.
Okay.
And thank you and goodbye.